Welcome back to our science sessions. Till now we have completed 6th chapter. As you all know that 7th chapter, the name of the chapter is Conservation of Plants and Animals. That we had already discussed in our last session. Then only I am making this video for your just information, for your record only. So here we will start our 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is Conservation of Plants and Animals. Conservation. What is the meaning of conservation? Conservation, that means protection. Conservation means to give the protect, to save them, उसको बचाना. So the meaning of this chapter is we have to conserve the plants and animals. Now which are the causes are there? Which are the reasons are there? That's why plants and animals are going to be dismissed. Plants and animals are going to be disappear. So here one by one we have to discuss some points related to them. First point is that deforestation and its causes. The most important point, the most related reason of the conserving of plants, that is deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? As you all know that deforestation means cutting down the trees and afforestation means growing more and more trees. Now here our first point is that deforestation. So deforestation and its causes. First we have to study about conservation of plants. Now what are the causes? Why we are cutting down so many trees day by day? Because in one word we can tell like that in simple words, to satisfy our basic needs. To satisfy our basic needs. We are getting so many things from plants. So that's why we are cutting down trees day by day. Some points are written over here. First is written procuring of land for cultivation. Procuring land for the cultivation. Cultivation के लिए हम forest को cut कर रहे हैं. Cultivation के लिए हम trees को cut कर रहे हैं. Second point is that building houses and factories. Factories and buildings को बनाने के लिए we the human beings are cutting down the trees. And third point I written here, making furniture or using wood as a fuel. We are using wood. Wood is given by the trees only. This wood either we are using for making furniture, otherwise we are using as a fuel. So these are the causes why we the human beings are cutting down the trees. So one judiciary request is there. One ideally request, if we are idle human, idle person, so we have to reduce the cutting down the trees. We have to reduce the deforestation. Now second point is that consequences of deforestation. Consequences. One question is in your mind. What is the meaning of consequences? Consequences means effect. Consequences means effect. What are the effect of deforestation? Deforestation की effect क्या होगी? अगर हम trees cut करते ही जाएंगे, what will be the result of it? So here first point is there, increase temperature and pollution. If you are cutting down the trees, the temperature will increase and pollution level will be high. Second point is that if the temperature is increased, as we discussed before also, as you studied in your previous grade also, if the temperature is increased, the level of carbon dioxide is increased in the atmosphere. The level of carbon dioxide is increased and it affects to the global warming. What is global warming? That you studied in previous grade also. I told you in before points also. Global warming means what? If the temperature of carbon dioxide will increase, the polar regions areas there, the snow will convert into the water and the level of sea will be high, and in somewhat area the flood like natural calamities they have to suffer. Next point is the groundwater level gets down. If rain is not there, how can water go inside the land, inside the soil? So groundwater level gets down. Fourth point is that desertification. The meaning itself inside the word desertification. The land is converting into the desert. The land, the fertile land that is converted into the desert. That is known as desertification. अगर trees ही नहीं है, if we are not growing more and more trees and we are continuously cutting the trees, what will happen? The land will become like a desert, and this process is known as desertification. And the last point is there, droughts. Droughts means dukal padna. Droughts mean dukal padna. See here, due to deforestation, floods also happen as well as droughts also happen. How droughts is happen? First, if we discuss, if we are cutting the trees, rainfall will less, rainfall become less. If rainfall become less, how we will get the water? Because the rainfall is the main source of water. Rainfall is the main natural source of water. If rainfall is not there, we will not get the water properly, and so droughts like situation we have to suffer. So these 2 points are, first is causes of deforestation, reasons of deforestation, and the second point is there, consequences means effect of deforestation. Now here we are discuss about the conserving of plants. Conserving of, why we have to conserve the plants. Our next topic is there, that is for combine of conservation of wildlife and plants. Conservation of wildlife and plants. Conservation of wildlife and plants means what? We can tell like biodiversity. One word is that biodiversity. Biodiversity includes wildlife and plants together. Now, whichever the institute, whichever Indian government has launched for the conserving of wildlife and plants. So here in our country, in India, there are like wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserves. These all are working for the conserving of. Let's start our next topic. The topic name is biosphere reserve. As we discussed in our last point, what was our last point? The conservation of wildlife and plants. This conservation of wildlife and plants are known as biodiversity. This conservation of wildlife and plants are known as biodiversity. So as I told you before also that for protection of biodiversity, Indian government has launched some programs. Indian government has do some programs like they are making the wildlife sanctuaries also, biosphere reserves also, national parks also. Among them, now we are going to discuss one point, that is biosphere reserve. What is a biosphere reserve? A biosphere reserve is an area that meant for the conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity means what? Wildlife and plants together. Biosphere is that type of area. In that area, the conservation of biodiversity will happen. In बायोडाइवर्सिटी को प्रोटेक्शन मिलने के लिए एक एरिया अलॉकेट किया, अलॉट किया, दैट इज नोन एज बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. In our lesson 1 biosphere reserve, we are going to study the name of that biosphere reserve, that is Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve. I had told you to note down the name of wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves and national park, that you had done already. That is good for your sides. Now we will discuss about the Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve. In Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, there are one national park. What was that national park? The name of that national park, that is Satpura National Park, and 2 other wildlife sanctuaries are there. The name is wildlife sanctuary. One is Bori and the second is Panchmarahi Sanctuary. Panchmarahi Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is the one biosphere reserve that is given in our textbook, Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve. Now in Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, they are giving protection to flora and fauna. They are giving protection to flora and fauna. Flora that is related to trees, and fauna that is related to animals. One more time. In Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, in any biosphere reserve or any wildlife sanctuary, in any national park, they are giving protection to flora and fauna. Flora, that areas is related for the trees, and fauna that is related for the animals. So here I have written some examples which are giving protection in the Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, like sal, teak and silver ferns, arjun. These all are the trees. They are under the Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve, as well as barking deer, wolf, cheetah, leopard. These all are the examples of fauna in the Panchmarahi Biosphere Reserve. One more time. These flora and fauna, examples of flora, that is sal, teak and silver ferns, arjun. that is in Panchmarai Biosphere Reserve. Land barking deer, wolf, cheetah, these all are the examples of fauna which is taking protection in the Panchmarai Biosphere Reserve. Our next point is the endemic species. Endemic species, endemics what? They are going to be over. What is endemic species? Let's see the definition. The plants and animals which are found in a particular area. The plants and animals which are found in a particular area. In some areas they are found in one characteristic. They are having a one common characteristics. They are known as endemic species. Which endemic species are there? So examples are the sal and wild mango. Sal and wild mango, these are the examples of flora. Flora for wood, endemic species, and bisons, giant squirrel, flying squirrel, Indian giant squirrel. These all are the examples of endemic species which is under the Panchmarai Biosphere Reserve. Why? Because in our textbook, again and again I am telling, in our textbook one Biosphere Reserve is given. The name of that Biosphere Reserve is Panchmarai Biosphere Reserve. Endemic species means in a particular area some same characteristics animals and plants are there. Examples of flora, that is sal and wild mango, while examples of fauna, that is bison and giant squirrel. Let's summarize today's session. What we are discussing today's session. There are few points that I have written here. First point was that deforestation its causes. Reason क्या होता है? Why we are doing that? Consequences of deforestation, results of effect of deforestation, result of it. Conservation of forest and wildlife, that means conservation of biodiversity, biosphere reserves, flora and fauna, and endemic species. So these 6 points are there which I have covered in today's session. The further points, the remaining points, we will discuss in our next session. Till that, regarding this point, regarding this whole exercise, if you are having any doubts or queries there, we will discuss in our next online session, otherwise next live sessions. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and have a good day.